Okay, so I got the Bissell Powerforce Bagged. Sorry, I'm just got too much mess. So I had to sell those bags. After that, I want to carpet clean it. I'm gonna carpet clean the floor after we sell this bag so we can put the furniture, products we don't have in the living room. Even cooler, has a Febreze bag, which is nice. It's a 7. I might get more bags from Walmart next time if I have to switch a bag. It has great suction. It was totally fine. There was no replacements. I didn't need to do anything on it. Dirt bowl, there's something broken. The dirt bins, the dirt container it's actually broken in the bottom. Have to replace it probably. But this one is great. This one doesn't require any bags. How's a long stretch hose, by the way? It's lightweight. Didn't come with the extension hose, but the combination tool. At least it came with the combination tool. You can find these on Walmart. But I only got this for $24.99 with my money. This is a sticker. You cannot see that good, but look, it's has 8 amps. Which I like the old one better because it's literally my dream ones. One of my dream vacuums. Color dream vacuum. Has from Hoover's worst vacuums. The worst vacuums in my life. It's probably Sharks. I don't know. I hate Sharks. Well, yes, I do. Some like old ones. They're too narrow. I'm gonna vacuum now. Now I'm gonna vacuum. Doing great. Sorry, but I got a reminder that I'm running out of battery. I'm sorry. Sorry, but my phone's in 10%. Sorry, I got a reminder. But it's the suction test. It's not that powerful. It's great overall. Great job. You did a great job. Doesn't sound powerful.